Good morning to all of you. Welcome to ethics class. Friends, we are going to discuss the part C, question number 15 of question paper 2021, August 2021. The question is like this: X, an advocate, was suspended from practice for 1 month. He was suspended for 1 month. Why? On the ground that he put upon unusually big nameplate with multicolors. That means add multicolors with radium. So very good hoarding he might have erected. And that he was the former chairman of the State Bar Council. So he also mentioned on the nameplate on the board that he was a former chairman of the State Bar Council. Now another person by name X, he challenged the acts of the State Bar Council. So X is an advocate. Already he was suspended from practice for 1 month. Why? Because he has put up a hoarding, big hoarding, as though he was the former chairman of the State Bar Council. Right? So here, please remember. So what is even though he goes and fights against the bar council, he cannot be successful. Now, as per this is the question. Now you have to write the brief facts of the incident. You know that the advocate has erected big hoarding or nameplate with multicolors radium sticker, and he also mentioned that he is the former chairman of the bar council. So whether it amounts to misconduct or not, professional misconduct or not. Friends, you all know, according to section 35 of the Advocates Act, and 35 of the Advocates Act 1961, section 35 deals with the so-called penal punishment of advocates for misconduct. So on receipt of a complaint or suo motu, please remember, the State Bar Council can conduct an inquiry regarding the professional or other misconduct also, and of course the result will be either they may reprimand the advocate, they may suspend the advocate, they remove his name, or they can dismiss the file also. This is the action to be taken under section 35 of the Advocates Act. So before that, we all know that there are ethics or rules of ethics framed by Bar Council of India. Bar Council of India, using its powers under section 49 of the Advocates Act, they have framed the BCI rules, which you can find in chapter 2 part 4 of the rules of the Bar Council of India. So all the rules, I have told you 52 rules. Out of them, this present question refers to rule number 36. What does it say? Rule number 36 deals with the advertisement or touting. Rule number 36 says, yes, provides that an advocate shall not solicit work or advertise. This is important. Directly or indirectly, whether by circulars, by advertisements, touts, personal communications. But an exception has given for online advertisement. So Rule 36 prohibits an advocate from publishing or advertising through communications through ads. Here the advocate has published his name in a huge font and also in multicolors and also with radium stickers, and also he has added that he was the former member of so and so, which is not correct. So straight case. So Bar Council inquiry, M. Nelson versus Muthumalar, dated 29/11/2018. M. Nelson versus Muthumalar. I think you may be remembering this case very well. Already I told you as regards 36 M. Nelson case. Right. So this Muthumalar, actually she studied in Sri Vijayanagara College of Law in Rayalaseema area. I don't want to name particular area. So she completed LLB. She joined her husband also. He studied only for the first year. So after completing LLB, she started practice in Tamil Nadu, and with a big hoarding that herself she took a shop for rent in 2014 and put up a board indicating that herself and her husband Both of them are BBA, LLB and LLM qualification, and national e-commerce plan they have adopted. Common service center, aluminum fabricators, interior decorators, PVC doors and other things. They have given their email and phone number also, right? And actually the board should be of reasonable size, but here the board has been in a huge size. And actually later some allegations were leveled against her. What that is by her own brother-in-law, that is Mr. Nelson, who alleged that she has violated the injunction order given by the court, and she has removed the fencing, or she has set back the fencing. Ultimately, the inquiry disclosed that she, while studying law, she worked as a yoga teacher in 2 schools in Tamil Nadu, and ultimately it was held that herself, her husband did not complete LLB. Both of them are unfit to be this point. Both their names have been removed from the advocates list. You know the case law, I told you. Then second case is VB Joshi versus Union of India, 2008. So just now I told you that ads should not be there, advertisement should not be there. But suppose the app just dial, how you are giving its number. So therefore, basing on the case filed by VB Joshi, Bar Council of India told the Supreme Court that they do not have any objection if the lawyer uploads the information on the website. That is his name, then a registered number or enrollment number, and his specialization they can give, and the people can contact him online, because nowadays online platform has come into existence. And third place, not this one, even writing the name on the postcard was taken as an advertisement in the 1929 case. Of course, the Advocates Act did not come. But anyway, G pleader versus SA pleader 1929. This G pleader sent letters to the Waqf boards, writing his name on the postcards, stating that he is the GP of the High Court, and High Court wanted some information regarding the Waqf board, and they have to give Waqf board cases to him and things like that. Almost he has given ads at that time in the name of postcards, which is highly deprecated. So friends, this is regarding the ads. So anyway, by now I think you are clear that Rule 36 does not allow the pleader or the advocate to go for advertisements, maybe personal communications, maybe ads, maybe by big name boards, maybe by giving interviews, maybe saying that I am expert in family law. It's not correct. If that is the case, you will be suspended. So ultimately, to conclude, the suspension for 1 month by the Bar Council is 100% accepted. That is the conclusion you have to write. So with this, I am concluding. Thank you very much.